Today we're talking about how to get started with ChatGPT for mahala. That means free, na? You don't even have to log in if you don't want to. But if you do, I'll show you how to set up a free account. Easy peasy. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to chat with this clever machine, why having an account is lekka useful, and a little bit about where this AI magic even came from. So, let's get into it. Now, ChatGPT, that stands for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Yo, that name is so long it sounds like a law degree. But really, it's just a super smart computer program trained to talk like a real person. The company behind it, OpenAI, started this thing years ago with one goal: make AI smart, safe, and useful for ordinary folks like us. The early versions, they were a bit rough, like teaching your kid cousin to text without using all caps. But when ChatGPT dropped in 2022, the whole world went mad for it. People used it for schoolwork, business plans, recipes, even relationship advice. Now me, I've never tried that part, I just heard the stories. And now we've got versions like GPT-4, GPT-5, and they're already talking about GPT-6. Like AI just won't rest. But don't stress. Today, we're sticking with the free one. No money, no worries. All right, so how do you use it without signing in? Simple. Open your browser, type chat.openai.com, and boom, it'll take you straight to a page that says, "What can I help with?" You'll see that little box that says, "Ask anything," and that's where the fun starts. Let's test it out. Type, "You're one of the top 5 apple pie bakers in the world. What's your best recipe with one secret ingredient?" Give it a second, and boom, there's your answer. Now tell it, make me a healthy version of that recipe. Another second, and bam, there's your guilt-free dessert, bruh. You can spend hours asking this thing random questions. It's a proper rabbit hole, for real. But here's the thing. When you use it without logging in, ChatGPT doesn't remember your chats. It's like chatting with a stranger at the bus stop. Nice convo, but once you walk away, poof, gone. So, if you want ChatGPT to remember you, make a free account. Just click log in or sign up. You can use your Google, Apple ID, or email. Easy. Once you're in, it'll save your chats so you can come back later and pick up right where you left off. Even the free version can do a ton of stuff. Come up with video ideas, help you plan a business, write your CV or cover letter, summarize long notes or articles, explain complicated things like you're 5 years old. Basically, it's like having your own personal assistant, except this one doesn't complain if you don't pay it. Now, signing in has long-term perks. You can save, edit, and reuse your old chats. You can even tell ChatGPT a bit about yourself, like your goals or your tone, and it'll give you answers that fit your vibe. And when you're ready to level up, the paid versions open the floodgates. We're talking uploading and analyzing files, creating and editing more images, working with big data sets, generating charts and reports in seconds, getting faster responses, and using custom GPTs for specific tasks. That's serious power, hey? Saves you hours every week. But even the free version can be a game changer if you use it smart. The real power ain't in the tool. It's in how you use it. All right, fam, let's wrap it up. Now you know how to use ChatGPT for free, with or without signing in. You've seen what it can do and why having an account gives you that extra boost. These tools aren't here to make us lazy. They're here to make us better, more creative, more productive, and maybe even a little wiser. So go on, open up chat.openai.com, ask it a question, and start playing around. If this video helped you, hit that like, subscribe, and ring that bell, because here on the Winning Start team, we're all about helping you be great. Until next time, peace, progress, and prosperity, my people.